So this is another question. This is the video number 3. This is a question from NDA 2 of 2015. It's a very simple question. They are given the number of diagonals in a polygon. The number of diagonals in a polygon is 44. So we are supposed to find its sides. There's a formula for that. You have to remember this formula every time they ask 1 or 2 questions related to this. It's n into n minus 3 by 2 is equal to the number of diagonals that can be formed in a polygon. So here they given 44 diagonals. So it is n into n minus 3 is equal to 88. So when you are solving, n square minus 3n minus 88 is equal to 0. So just try to replace one of the other value, we get the answer. n square minus 3n. So if you want to do by multiplication, 88 n square, if you are substituting it and the difference should be 3, then 22 4 11 8, so it's 11 8 88. So n square minus 11 n plus 8n minus 88 is equal to 0. So it's n minus 11 into n plus 8. So the values are 11 comma 8 minus 8. These are the roots of this equation. So only 11 will fit in here because minus 8. Polygon cannot have negative sides. So 11 is the answer. So if you check 11 into 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3 is 11 into 8 by 2 is equal to 2 1 2 4, that's 44. So the polygon with 44 diagonals will be of 11 sides. So you need to remember this formula, n into n minus 3 by 2. This is the formula for the number of diagonals in a polygon, where n is the number of sides. So that's it. Thanks for watching.